Let's talk about the constructor in Kotlin. In Kotlin, a constructor is a special function that is primarily used for initializing objects when they are created. Constructors are defined within the class declaration and can be of two types, which are primary constructor and secondary constructor. Let's understand about it by giving one example. Here is I have created one class teacher. Let's create it as a primary constructor here. Here I have take two fields, val name of type string and another val gender of type string. Now create one main function, fun main. Now let's initialize the class val t teacher. Now pass the value here. Name I pass mark and the gender will be male. As you can see, I have directly passed the parameter to the constructor here. Now let's print it. Println t dollar t dot name dollar t dot gender. Let's run it. As you can see, I'm getting mark and male here. Okay. This is our primary constructor. We can also create one secondary constructor. Secondary constructor is creating by using the constructor keyword. Let's understand about the secondary constructor here. Just remove this code and move this. This is one class. Here in class, take two field of private var name of type string. I'm giving it the empty string. Now also initialize one variable private var gender of type string, also initialize it to empty. Now here I can create the secondary constructor by using the constructor keyword constructor. Now mention the field name. What I'm having here. Name of type string and gender of type string. But I'm getting here. Okay, plus this dot name is initialized to name. Now this dot gender is initialized to gender. But here I am getting here. I need to do this. Now I am creating the secondary constructor. Okay, remove this. Now create one main function outside the class. Here I class is Closing over here. Now create one main function, fun main. Now inside the main, create an instance of a class. Well, T is initialized to feature. Now here, pass the value Mike and then gender here the male. As you can see, here I'm able to give the values inside our constructor. This is our secondary constructor. Let's print the value here. Println uh, name is Java name. Println gender is $gender. Now you can see this is a refer to the variable of the class. This this because I am taking the variable name same inside this constructor. And if I directly initialize it, it will create some ambiguity like the other programming languages. Let's run it. As you can see, I am getting name is Mike, gender is male. Hope you understand. In Kotlin recommend us to mostly use the primary constructor. As you can see, convert to a primary constructor like this. Okay, this is the init block. It will execute after the class is created.